Hello, you're welcome to ExcelEase on Tech Hustler YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to take you through how you can save, create, and open a worksheet. So, to save a workbook, this is what you're going to do. First, you go to the File tab. So, a new page or a window will open. So, on the page, you can see Home, New, Open, Info, Save, Save As. So in this case, we are going to use Save As because we are saving our workbook for the first time. The save is used to save an already existing workbook which you've made changes to. Let's say you have an existing workbook and you made some changes in that workbook. If you are saving the changes that you made, you will click on Save instead of Save As. So in this tutorial, we are going to use Save As because we are going to save this workbook for the first time. So I'll click on Save As. After clicking on Save As, there is a new window or pane which will be opened. So on that pane, you will see Browse and this PC. I'll click on Browse. That is where I'll be choosing or selecting the specific place or location where I want to save my workbook. Or better still, you can choose any of these already opened places or locations here. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use the Browse to do that. So I'll click on Browse. After clicking on Browse, you will see a Save As dialog box window. So on the Save As dialog box window, you can see icons and folders over here. So I would like to save this workbook in my documents. So I'll select Documents. So from the document, I'll move to the file name. So the file name is the name you would want to give to the workbook. So in that field, you can see Book 1. That is the default file name. So I'll click here to change this workbook to a name that I prefer. So I'll say Excel, or let me change this to my Excel workbook. Okay. So now this becomes the file name. After that, I'll move my pointer to where I see the save button. I'll click on that button and the workbook has been saved. So that is how you can save a workbook. Now, let's say I'm working on this workbook and I want to create a new workbook and work on that. Would I just close this workbook and then open it again? No. So to open or to create a new workbook, I'll just go to File and then I'll go to New. When I click on New, there will be a new pane showing some templates here and then a blank workbook. So I'll select Blank Workbook. So after selecting Blank Workbook, a new workbook will be opened for me. So in this workbook, I can still work in the other workbook as well. So let's say, for instance, I want to open the workbook I saved. That is the My Excel workbook. If I want to open that workbook, I'll just have to go to File. After clicking on File, I'll go to Open. After clicking on Open, if you are fortunate enough and you recently opened or worked on that workbook, it will appear here. But for the purpose of this video or this tutorial, I will use the Browse function. So I'll click on Browse. After clicking on Browse, an Open File dialog box will appear. In that Open File dialog box, I'll move to the location where I saved that specific workbook. So I saved it in Documents. From there, I'll go to this place and then search for the specific workbook I want to open. So the name of the workbook is My Excel workbook. So I'll click on that and then come to click on Open. After clicking on Open, you can see that I have this workbook open. So I can work in this workbook. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video for others to also learn.